Welcome. In today's video, we'll go through a simple and quick method to stop GIFs from showing up on your Telegram web profile on PC after the latest update. If you prefer keeping your profile clean and private, this short guide is exactly what you need. First, open Telegram web on your browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. This is where all your main options are located, from chats to settings. Next, from the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. Telegram's settings page is designed to make managing your privacy and preferences easier. Once you're inside Settings, locate and select Privacy and Security. This section controls everything related to who can see your activity, your profile details, and with the recent update, your GIFs visibility. Scroll down until you see the new option labeled Gifts. Telegram introduced this feature so users can send each other virtual GIFs, but not everyone wants these GIFs displayed publicly. Click on GIFs and you'll see several options for who can see them, options like Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To completely hide GIFs from your profile, choose Nobody. After selecting this option, Telegram will automatically apply the privacy setting, ensuring that no one except you can see your received or sent GIFs.